Hi lovelies, welcome back. For this look, I'm using Brazilian wool. I've already parted my hair and braided the base the same way you're seeing on the screen. You can decide to count it. You can count your braids or just freestyle, whichever one is good for you. For these small braids, I'm using 17 strands of wool. I fold it into half, like you fold it equally. If your braids are thicker than mine, you can use 20 to 25 strands, depends on what you want. Then you fold the wool and pass the loop end under each braid so the wool can sit properly. Start about half an inch away from the roots. Separate two strands of wool from the bundle, which is from the 17 wool, and hold them aside. You will use these for wrapping. You use the two strands of wool for wrapping and securing. With the remaining large section, twist that big bundle very well. Twist the main section first, which is the big part. Twist it very well. Then use the two small strands to wrap or cross over, the way I'm doing in the video. Again, twist before you turn to give it a neat and long-lasting finish. Wash my hand closely and the clips and follow the direction. Watch closely to understand. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. If you find the content interesting and you would want to come back to watch more videos, do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.